going to take the first shot with the CVA Wolf that I received from worldhuntingclub.com. I won. So, well, here we go. That is outstanding. Okay, so I just took an 8-inch brick by 3-inch brick, iron sights, out of the box, and smoked it at 50 yards. So I'd say that's pretty good out of the box iron sights. I'm gonna go down and take a look and maybe shoot one more round. Okay, I'm going to take my second shot, shooting 295 grain PowerBelts with two 777 Magnum pellets, 60 grains each, so that's 120 grains behind it, and Remington 209 primers. So we'll see if it does just as good the second time around. Outstanding. This thing's a beast. And it's good iron sight straight out of the box. I like that. So I'll take it out to 100 yards, try a couple more rounds, see what I think, but I'm pretty happy with it. This is a good win.